Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I will show how you can set color tune in VIVO phone. So to start, you will need to open the list of contacts, then find whatever contact you would like to set the designated ringtone for. Then tap at these three vertical dots to your top right, select the set ringtone option, and then either choose one of the default ringtones for this contact to have, or you can set a custom one through going for the add ringtone option at the very bottom, then select whatever audio file you would like for you would like to serve as your contact ringtone for the particular contact we were talking about. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.